the rain's come, and it's raining. Two more coming in, and it's fucking sitting down at the minute. So I just had the 4 out, and I've had no more out since. Just had a quick toilet break, have another cup of tea I think. It's whatever time it is on there. 10, 20 to 11. So yeah, we'll give it to about 12 if it slows down. I wasn't expecting this much rain, probably a shower, but yeah. Chucking it down there. So I'm about to look at the floats anyway. Oops, so the dark there, little nibble. And if you got that. But yeah, I've had the 4 out right over the back there. I've had some bites down there, but I ain't had any out yet. So just have to see, don't even know if you can hear me. All you can hear is the rain and the umbrella. These umbrellas are good, these are, when you're raining and it's raining. And it's coming behind me as well, which is a good thing. Well, it's coming straight down now. Hardly any wind, which in one way is bad and in another is good. No, they're not. I think I might have one on there. Anyway. No bait neither, so I'll reset up. I'll speak to you in a bit. Bye.